Hello everyone, my name is Shailen Chauhan. I am Microsoft MVP, Technical Consultant and Corporate Trainer. Today I will tell you top 7 reasons why you should learn Microsoft Azure in 2020. Let's start with the reason number 1. Easy to learn and adopt. Microsoft Azure is easy to learn and adopt because of its simplicity and premium tools like Visual Studio, VS Code, Azure CLI, Storage Explorer, and Azure Data Studio. So there are various tools you can use. Reason number 2, public cloud adoption in 2019. So Microsoft Azure ranked at second position in public cloud adoption as compared to the AWS, Google Cloud and other cloud vendors. So this is the report I am sharing from the Right Scale 2019. Reason number 3, supports for multi-platform. Microsoft Azure is for every developer and framework. So whether you are a .NET developer, Java developer, PHP developer or Python developer, you can use Microsoft Azure for building and deploying your application. Reason number 4, better integration with the .NET platform. So Microsoft offers the unmatched features and integration with the .NET based application. So the developers who already know the .NET platform, they can easily build the cloud based application. So whether you are building a mobile application, or whether you are building a web application, whether you are building an application for AI, so all the type of application you can easily integrate with the Microsoft Azure. Reason number 5, hybrid benefits. So Microsoft Azure provide the hybrid benefit to their existing clients who already having the Windows Server and SQL Server license. They can use their existing license with Azure. Even AWS is 5x times expensive than Azure for Windows Server and SQL Server. So this is the way how the Microsoft is offering the hybrid benefit to their existing clients. Reason number 6, supports for DevOps. So DevOps is the latest and the trending technology in the IT field. So with the help of Azure DevOps, you can design and implement the DevOps strategy for your application easily. So Azure DevOps is a great offering from the Microsoft where you can use Azure Board, Azure Repos, Azure Pipelines, Azure Test Plans and Azure Artifacts. So these are the various features are provided by the Microsoft Azure DevOps. Reason number 7, high paying jobs. Nowadays cloud skill is in demand and Microsoft Azure is used by the Fortune 500 companies and the top MNCs in the world. So if you're looking for a high salary package, then Microsoft Azure will help you. So being a Microsoft Azure developer, you will get the high salary as compared to an application developer. So these are the reasons why you should learn Microsoft Azure in 2020. If you have any query, any doubt regarding the Microsoft Azure, please do ask in the comment section below. If you like this video, please do share it in WhatsApp, Facebook and Telegram and help others. Thank you for watching this video.